Welcome to 5th grade's virtual open house. This is a picture from our open house that we had in the gym earlier this year of our 5th grade team.
All right, hello you all. I'm Miss Dedeaux. I teach 5th grade math. I am from Gulfport. I graduated from Gulfport High School. I have a bachelor's from the University of Southern Mississippi and a master's from William Carey.
Hi, my name is Papania. I teach 5th grade social studies. I graduated from Harrison Central. I have a bachelor's from the University of Southern Mississippi and a master's from William Carey University. Our co-worker, Miss Polk, also graduated from Gulfport High, and she has a bachelor's from the University of South Alabama.
All right, Mr. Howard is from Gulfport. He has a master's degree in education from William Carey University.
As far as attendance goes, when a student is absent, they will have missed work and it must be made up. If the student has an excuse, they do need to bring it with them and then they return to the office where they can file attendance accordingly. And based on the student handbook, the student has 3 days after they return to make up their work without a 0 going in the grade book. After that point, a 0 will be entered until the grade is made up.
All right, our daily schedule.
Health and safety protocols are very similar to last year. Please not going to be so. If your student is absent, please have them log into Schoology where they can stay up to date on their assignments. And
students should come to class prepared. That means having their homework completed, computer charged, and supplies ready. Students should participate in class and they should complete work as directed. Students should complete homework and study for upcoming assessments. Students should always give their best effort. Students should collaborate well with their peers.
Behavior expectations. The first and they will receive a mark on the clipboard. The second time the student does not adhere to a behavior expectation, they will lose a privilege or activity and will receive a mark on the clipboard. The third time the parent will be contacted, and then the fourth time the student does not adhere after parent contact, they will be sent to the office for a disciplinary referral. Extreme cases will be sent directly to the office.
All right, in Mr. Howard's class for 5th grade science for the year, they will be covering life science, which is ecosystems and photosynthesis, earth and space, which includes earth resources and the solar system, and physical science, which is properties of matter and force and motion.
In English language arts, so we're going to be learning about making inferences using text evidence, determining the theme of the story, comparing and contrasting, figurative language, narrative and explanatory writing, and determining the meaning of words and text as used and author's point of view.
All right, in math, students will be learning about the following skills: place value and powers of 10, read and write, compare and round decimals, multiplying whole numbers, dividing whole numbers, adding, subtracting, and multiplying and dividing decimals, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions, understanding the coordinate plane, and classifying quadrilaterals.
In social studies this year, we'll be learning a lot about geographical aspects, pre-Columbian Native American tribes, exploration, the Columbian Exchange, colonization, and the American Revolution. We also discuss current events and national holidays. Our grading scale is 95 to 100 is an A, 85 to 94 is a B, 75 to an 84 is a C, 70 to a 74 is a D, and a 0 to a 69 is an F. Common assessments are worth 50% of the student's grade, and there are 4 each 9 weeks. The other 50% of the grade is made up from daily assignments.
All right, homework is given daily in all classes. Behavior and academic excellence will be rewarded. If you need to contact us,